Hi folks, just going to go through the in-car switches that you need to know about in this Toyota Corolla Axio automatic hybrid car. You need to know these switches now for the driving test, so let's go through them. So the first one you need to know about is over here. That's the hazard lights. Push it in, on, and push it again, the hazard lights are off. This is the fan level of fan you want. And as you can see, as I turn the dial, the level of fan goes up and down here on the display. Okay. This one is a front window heater. That's a back window heater. This is air distribution control. As you can see, the display is changing, showing you where the air is blowing to. As I press the button either up or down, it just goes through 3 different settings where the air is blowing to. That's air purifier button, I believe. This is the air conditioning switch, and that's the air intake control switch. Generally, I don't use that, and during these times of COVID-19, that's not to be used in a driving test. Then this is the temperature control, and as I turn the dial, you can see the temperature setting is changing there, up here. See? Turn the dial, settings change. Now this is the hooter here, so if you press that, just make sure the hooter works. Turn the steering wheel a little bit. This is your wiper lever here. If you just pull it towards yourself, you can see you get some water squirt on the windscreen. Pulling the wiper lever up 1 level just gives you a quick wipe on the windscreen. Pushing it down 1 level makes sure the wipers work intermittently every couple of seconds. As you can see there now, if I push it down a second time, the wipers stay on, and if I push it down a third time, the wipers go a little bit faster. Push it up now, level, and all the wipers are off now. Turn the wheel this way then, over here, and turn the wheel this way to show you where the lights are. Currently the lights are set to 0, with that little horizontal white line is at off. If I twist it up 1 level, I'm on side lights, so the line is at the dot. If I push it up another level, and the line is up now to the dip light setting, so I have the dip lights on. Now with the dip lights on, if I push the lever forward like that, I get the full beam of lights on, which is shown to you on the blue light setting here on the dash. Okay, if I pull that lever back for the lights, the blue light goes off. If I push that lever forward, the blue light is on again. If I pull the lever back, the blue light setting has now gone off, so you have only the dip lights on at the moment. Okay, as you can see there with the button just opposite the dip light setting. Go back to side lights and turn the lights off. Indicators on this side as well. In this Corolla, up for turning to the left, in the middle is off, and down for turning to the right. And now the indicators are off again. So they're your in-car switches that you need to know about for the driving test in Ireland at the moment if you're taking this Toyota Corolla Axio automatic hybrid car out for a test. So folks, thanks for taking the time to listen to the video. If you like the video, please do click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all the support that we do get. That's all for now folks. Thank you. Until the next video, bye for now.